My son, listen to me with a heart lifted by hope. For today I wish to speak to you with a love that conquers all, and a promise that endures. Before the heavens were formed, before the first battle was waged, I knew you. Every challenge you would face, every dream you would hold, every moment you would need my strength. You are not a mere wanderer in this world. You are my beloved, created with purpose, upheld by a love that never fails. Today I want to tell you, I will give you victory in every struggle, over every obstacle, through every trial, for I am the God who overcomes, and I am with you. You walk through days that test your faith, and I see how often you face battles that seem insurmountable, whether they rise from within or press in from the world around you. I know the moments when you feel the weight of defeat, when doubts whisper that the fight is too great, when you wonder if you can rise again. I see you standing against adversity, sometimes faltering, sometimes weary, yet holding on to hope. But hear me now. I will give you victory. I am the God who goes before you, who fights for you, who ensures that no enemy is greater than my power in you. How often have you felt the sting of setbacks, as if your efforts fall short or your struggles define you? How many times have you faced challenges that made you question if triumph is possible? My son, I know the fears that grip your heart, the losses that linger in your memory, the moments when you felt outmatched. But I am here to tell you, victory is yours because I am with you. I am the God who turns the tide, who lifts the fallen, who crowns the faithful with triumph. Your battles are mine, and I will lead you to overcome. I know the wounds you carry from fights you've endured, the scars left by moments when you felt defeated, the times when you questioned your strength. I see the moments when you've doubted your worth, when you've wondered if my promises of victory apply to you. But my son, I am the God who restores. I do not abandon you in the struggle. I fight for you, equipping you with my strength, guiding you with my wisdom. Victory is not something you must earn alone. It is my gift, given because you are mine. I want you to know that every battle you face is part of a greater story, one where I am leading you to triumph. The world may tell you that victory belongs to the strong, the perfect, the unyielding, but I tell you, victory belongs to those who trust in me. I am with you in every fight, turning your trials into testimonies, your weaknesses into opportunities for my power to shine. You are not destined for defeat, for I have declared victory over your life, and my word never fails. My son, do not let the size of the battle make you doubt my promise. I am the God who delivers, who breaks chains, who leads you to triumph through my love. You are never alone, and I will give you victory in every struggle you face. This is the first part of what I have to say to you, and my voice will continue to reach you, bringing courage, assurance, and the certainty of my triumph. Hold these words close, for they are a reminder that you are mine, that I am fighting for you, and that victory is your inheritance, my son. My voice returns to you, for my love is an unshakable force, always ready to lift you and lead you to triumph. I see you in every moment, know every fear that shadows your heart, every doubt that tests your resolve, every struggle that weighs on your spirit. Today I want to speak to you again about my promise to you, to remind you that I will give you victory, standing with you in every battle, empowering you with my strength, ensuring your triumph through my love. You have faced seasons when the fight seemed unending, when obstacles loomed large, when the possibility of defeat felt all too real. I know the times when you've questioned if you have what it takes, if my promises hold true, if victory is within your reach. I see the moments when you've pushed forward despite weariness, when you've held on to faith even as the battle raged on. But hear me now. I will give you victory. I am the God who never forsakes, who equips you with courage, who turns every struggle into a stepping stone toward triumph. My son, I know the battles you fight in silence, the fears that grip you in the quiet, the doubts that whisper you might not overcome. I know the times when you've tried to stand strong alone, thinking victory depends solely on your effort. But I am here to tell you, you do not fight by your own power. I am with you, pouring my strength into your heart, surrounding you with my protection. My presence is your assurance, and I am in the battle with you, securing the victory I have promised. I see the scars from fights you've endured, the moments when you felt you fell short, the wounds that make you hesitant to face the next challenge. I know the fears that linger, the thoughts that the battle ahead might be too much. But my son, I am the God who renews. I do not leave you to struggle alone. I fight for you, healing what was broken, restoring what was lost. Trust in me, for I am greater than any adversary, and my love paves the way for your victory. I want you to understand that every battle is an opportunity to see my power at work in you. The world may tell you that victory is reserved for the flawless, but I tell you, victory is mine to give, and I give it to those who trust me. When you are weak, I am strong. When you stumble, I lift you. When the enemy seems overwhelming, I overcome. You are not alone, for I am with you, leading you to triumph, shaping every fight into a story of my faithfulness. My son, I invite you to hold fast to my promise of victory. Do not let the challenges you face dim your hope. I am the God who delivers, who shatters strongholds, who leads you to triumph through my love. This is the second part of what I have to say to you, and my voice will continue to speak, bringing boldness, peace, and the certainty of my victory. Hold these words as a reminder that I will give you victory, that my presence is your strength, and that my love ensures your triumph. Prepare yourself, for I will keep speaking, and what comes next will deepen your confidence in the victory I have declared for you. My son, I come now to the third and final part of this message, but know that my promise of victory over you is eternal, and my love will always lead you to triumph. All that I have spoken has been to anchor your heart in this truth. I will give you victory, standing with you in every battle, empowering you with my strength, ensuring your success through my unwavering love. I am the God who knows every struggle you face, who fights for you, who declares triumph over your life. I want you to carry this certainty. No battle you face is beyond my power to overcome. Every moment you felt defeated, every time you faced a challenge that seemed too great, every struggle that tested your faith, I was there, fighting for you, turning your trials into testimonies of my might. I am the God who delivers, who breaks every chain, who leads you to victory with my hand. Trust in me, for I am with you, and the triumph I have promised is yours. My son, do not let fear or doubt steal the assurance of my victory. When the battle feels fierce, remember my voice. You are mine, strengthened by my power, upheld by my love. When you feel weak, know that I am your fortress. And when the enemy seems overwhelming, trust that I am greater, securing the victory I have destined for you. My presence is your guarantee, and I am with you, unwavering, through every fight and every triumph. I want you to live with courage, knowing that you walk with the God of victory by your side. Rise up, my son. Let go of the fear of defeat. Embrace the truth of my promise, and move forward in the confidence that I am leading you to triumph. Your life is a testament to my faithfulness, and through your victories, others will see that I am a God who overcomes, who loves fiercely, who never fails. Let your journey be a light, showing the world that I am a God who gives victory to his children. This message is an invitation to keep trusting in my promise, to listen for my voice, to stand firm in the assurance that I will give you victory. And now, I ask something of you. If these words have stirred your heart, share them with someone who needs to hear that I will lead them to triumph too. Leave a like, write in the comments what you felt or a prayer request, and subscribe to this channel. For through it I will continue to speak to you and to countless others. Together we can spread the hope of my victorious love. My son, hold these words as a treasure. They are proof that I am with you, fighting for you, loving you without end. Stand bold in my strength, for I will give you victory, and I am the author who never leaves a story unfinished.